Hey Shooby-Doodlers, well the summer has arrived. This is my little studio here, and down here is my pond. And you may remember only just a few weeks ago it was completely frozen and all those poor frogs froze to death. And I thought that was going to be the end of it. I'm pleased to say the water has finally got clear enough for me to see I have tadpoles. Well, here I am inside my studio, and I have been so busy the past week or so, and I am working on a new project. It is a book that I have been meaning to do for a very long time. I've been telling this story for more years than I want to remember in schools, and the story always goes down well, and each time I change it slightly. And then one time I decided I ought to write this down, and I did, and it's been through many versions, and I've rewritten it, and I keep thinking, oh, I should get this published. And then last week, the week before, I just decided, oh, to heck with this. I'm going to publish it and be damned. I'm just going to make this book. So what I'm doing is I'm making a signed, numbered, limited edition of 250 I'm going to do on Kickstarter. So I'll be kickstarting in a week or two. I'm not quite sure. I haven't quite set the date yet. So if you want to know about it, click up here. Get onto my mailing list, because the first people who are going to hear about it are the people on my mailing list. And my patrons, come and join me on Patreon. Click up here too, and because there are going to be early bird special prices and things like that. So it's kind of a special limited edition. It's good fun, and it's a great story. I really love it, and I'm busy working on artwork and design and stuff of it at the moment. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And that's what I need to get back to. So I will be back here with another vlog video next week. But if you've got questions and things you'd like to ask me about the life of an author or an illustrator, stuff like that I can kind of talk about in these Monday vlogs that I'm going to start doing from now on, then put your questions in the comments box below, and make sure you are subscribed. I think that's down here, and keep coming back to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel for all sorts of stuff about stories and illustration and things like that. And in the meantime, I'm going to get back to work, and I'll see you next week. You take care now. Bye bye.